Staying on with business stories from China, China sets an ambitious growth target of 5% for this year, alongside measures to boost confidence. The government also plans to raise debt worth $139 billion as officials ramp up fiscal stimulus. However, matching last year's figure will be harder as the country faces a lack of investor confidence and a slowing global economy.
This year's main development targets include GDP growth of around 5%.
Now, China's decision to forego a press briefing at the annual legislative meeting would make history. Li Qiang will be the first Chinese premier to skip a press interaction after the meeting in 30 long years. This will further fuel investor concerns about the government's lack of transparency. The most important political event in China each year is the annual gathering of the legislature. While this is mostly ceremonial, it nonetheless is extremely important. At least since 1993, the sitting premier has held a news conference. This is one of the rare occasions when a prominent leader in China addresses the public. This comes at a time when officials in China need to instill trust in the country's economy, which ranks second in the world after only the US. Amid global tensions, China's economy is struggling with a real estate crisis, deflation, unemployment, a slump in the stock market, and also the falling exports. Concerns about heightened surveillance and a more stringent anti-espionage statute have been voiced by foreign companies with ties to China. A major emphasis of this year's economic efforts should be stabilizing foreign investment. However, the cancellation of a press briefing will only add to global concerns about China's slowing economy and also add to the economic data print suspicions further.